mom and classmate. Today I'm gonna discuss you about the dimensions of meaning. But before that, I would like you to know my name. I'm Shaine Acob from Baels 2A. I would like to present to you reference and denotation, connotation, sense relation, lexical and grammatical meaning, morphemes, homonymy, and polysemy. Last, lexical ambiguity. Dimensions of meaning is any linguistic expression that has a relationship between the utterance and the things or person that being referred in a language. Reference and denotations. There are words that seems have relations of object, events, or description thing in our everyday life. We often think that language consists of so many words and each word has direct correlation with meanings. The mentalistic theory about meaning by Ogden and Richards. What is it mentalistic theory about meaning? It is an attempt to explain what is people in their mind. We can take a look dancing. The band between word and concept is called association. The band between concept and object is called reference. The band between object and word is called meaning. Connotation refers to the personal aspect of meaning, the emotional association that the word arouses, or parts of meaning that affective or emotional association is elicits, which clearly need not be the same for all people who know and use the word. Sense relations. Meaning is more than denotation and connotation. What the word means depends in part of its associations. With other words, the relational aspect lexemes do not merely have meanings. They contribute meanings to the utterances in which they occur, and what meanings they contribute depends on what other lexemes they are associated within these utterances. The meaning that a lexeme has because of this relationship is the sense of that lexeme. Part of this relationship is seen in the way words do or do not go together meaningfully. It makes sense to say Tom walk, an hour elapse, an hour walk. Parts of the meaning of elapse is that it goes with second, minute, hour, day, time, but not with Tom, and part of the meaning of hour, second. So part is that this word can co-occur with elapse. Lexical and grammatical meaning is the meaning of the word without paying attention to the way it is used and to the words that occur with it. Grammatical meaning refers to the part of meaning which is indicate grammatical relationship or functions. One of the smallest part is the phrase a dog, which refers to a certain animal. We call this phrase a referring expression. A referring expression is a piece of language that is used as if it is linked to something outside language, some living or dead entity or concept or group of entities or concepts. Morpheme means the minimal meaningful part divides into two types, and first, pre-morphemes are morphemes which occur by themselves. Example, chair, happy, guitar, lemon, shoe, and horn. Second, pound morphemes. Pound morphemes are morphemes which always attach to something else. Homonymy. In homonyms of the words bank, a financial institution, and bank, the edge of steam, prove that the spelling and pronunciation of the words are identical. However, the meanings are unrelated. I'll give you some example, such as steak and steak. The pronunciation is identical, but spelling is different, reflecting the fact that words were once different in their phonological form. Polysemy. A polysemy, however, is when a lexeme has several related meanings. For example, the word head can indicate to the body part of the person. the leader or organization, a head of a table or a bed of lettuce or cabbage. If we take the anatomical referent, a part of body of a person as the basic, the other meaning. Dictionaries recognize the distinction between polysemy and homonym by making a polysemous item a single dictionary entry and making homophonous lexemes two or more separate entries. Thus, head is one entry and bump is entered twice. Distinction between homony, lexemes, polysemy is not easy. One to make two lexemes are either identical in form or not. Lexical ambiguity, the result when homonyms occur in the same position of utterance. Example, I was on my way to the bank. The word bank here, it causes ambiguity of the utterance. The speaker are going to depositing or withdrawing money, or the speaker are going to fishing or boating. To avoid the ambiguity within the sentence, we can remember that homonyms belong to the different lexical categories.